welcome back to my channel. So this is Chaitanya. What I got from Max, honestly, I randomly went inside the store and I really loved the pants which I saw. I'm like, okay, I wanted to buy them like very much, but then I didn't have time because I had to go for a movie. Then I'm like, okay, I'm going separately to Max to buy those pants because it was like very comfortable. So, doing it. The latest collection of the quad set, so that I bought two of them and I bought two pants. So Max, whatever you can think, but let's get into the video. So basically I bought these two from stores and this one I ordered online. Yeah, I just checked this size in the store and then I'm like, okay fine, I'll order online. So I ordered this online and this I bought in the store. I'm just going to wear and show them. They're super comfortable, guys. Trust me. First, let's start with the quad sets. It's like this. Let's open it. So, as I said, it's a quad set. Top and pant. And a top and pant here. I bought two of them, black and mauve purplish color. I do have a nude color quad set which I bought from Zudio, but I don't know why I'm like, okay, to go very much near and come and like, I prefer quad sets nowadays. So it's very pretty. Like, I don't know why I'm too much into quad sets nowadays. Not sure. Super comfortable. It has pockets. The one which I bought from Zudio didn't have pockets. This has pockets. My mom shouts at me if I buy black, but look at this. This is so comfortable. But I don't know. Somehow okay, this is one more. It's in black. I like it, but somehow I'm just gonna keep it, but wear it like an airport look or something. This is nice. Definitely gonna keep it. Okay, I need to talk about these pants. They look like the previous pants, but they're not. The material of this is some textured material. A very soft material. It's good for like yoga, gym and all, but I prefer walking like just wear normal casual pants outside for walking. And since I was doing this badminton nowadays, so it's very useful. Badminton. I bought the same thing in brown. I'm going to show you. I'm going to wear and show you. Honestly, it's almost the same, but these are brown and that is black. Everything else is same, comfortable is like really good. And trust me guys, these are like super comfortable and worthy for the price. I paid $9.99. It was not an offer, but direct price is $9.99. I feel it is very good and it is, I think it will come long lasting. I don't know, but it has pockets. It's not textured, so sorry, it's very smooth, it's not textured. Can you see this? These are the brown pants. Wait. Honestly, it's almost the same, but these are brown and that is black. Everything else is same, comfortable is like really good. And trust me guys, these are like super comfortable and worthy for the price. I paid $9.99. It was not an offer, but direct price is $9.99. I feel it is very good and it is, I think it will come long lasting. I don't know, but it has pockets and a very good texture. It's not textured, so sorry, it's very smooth, it's not textured. It's nice. that's it guys for the video. If you do like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye guys.